Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I would like to give you a great tip what to cook instead of rice. It is called Turkish Bulgur. Very tasty recipe. If you haven't tried it yet, you will love it. Here is what we need for 3 portions. 2 cups of big grain bulgur, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 onion, 2 medium tomato, salt, pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 2.5 cups of boiling water. Let's get started. After peeling and rinsing the onion, chop it up. Now we dice the tomatoes. Don't forget to rinse the bulgur before we add it to the pot. Now turn on your stove, heat up oil in a pot and fry onion until it's golden, approximately for 8-10 minutes. After 8 minutes, add diced tomatoes to the pot and fry it for 3-4 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Now we add rinsed and drained bulgur to the pot, then add tomato paste and fry it for another 2 minutes to deepen the flavor. In the meantime, boil 6 deciliters of water. After 2 minutes, add 4 deciliters water, salt, pepper to taste, stir it, then cook it on low temperature until the water evaporates. Approximately after 15 minutes, the water is evaporated. Check the bulgur. If it is not soft enough, you need to add another half cup of water and let it steam until it's completely soft and add some extra salt for better taste. In the meantime, I would like to remind you to check the description below. Maybe you will find something what you need for your kitchen. I really appreciate that you are watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the button and share. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to hit the button. Thank you very much. The bulgur is soft enough. Now it is ready to serve. Take a small bowl, rub 1 drop of olive oil over it and fill it up with the ready bulgur. Take a serving plate, flip it over it and turn the whole thing around. I sprinkled it with parsley, but it's up to your taste. Serve it with any meat stew you like or just with salad. Bon appetit! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed my video. See you next week.